Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Tinker crate and I'm really excited to get into this crate with you and for my son to be able to do the craft, the Tinker thing that's in there. And if you're new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource for different unboxings like this to provide you with different resources we really like and some organizational tips. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below and let's get into this box. So this one says it's a walking robot. So make an electric powered android and experiment with mechanical motion. So this sounds extremely exciting and something that my son is absolutely gonna love. So when we open it up, we have the instructions on the top. Again, they look like blueprints, which I think is super fun. So when we open these up, oh, these ones are like short size. Usually it keeps unfolding. I was expecting it to be bigger. So there's the instructions and there's some instructions on the back. And then we have our booklet, again, which I love. And I'm sure it talks a lot about robotics. Oh, look, I turned to Red Planet Rover. So apparently some of the rovers that have been on other planets and talks a little bit about technology and the different robots that we have. So this is gonna be really cool. My son actually has a book from the library right now about robots, and so he loves this kind of thing. So in the box, we have all these pieces that I do not know what we will do with, but here they are. So there's some little plastic screws in that one. This is the battery power for our robot. And then we have some more little pieces and parts for our robot. And I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like a hammer. It's not really a hammer. It's super thin, but that's what it reminds me of. And then looks like some paper that will construct our robot with. I don't know exactly yet. And then another piece on the back. And then whenever they use batteries, they always include one of these battery instructions. So, and just in case you don't know how to use batteries. And that's all in this box for this month. And so I'm excited to have my son put this together and to see this robot walk. Even though I can't talk, hopefully the robot will walk. And so I'm gonna let him get at it and we'll let you know how it goes.
Walking robot.
He's walking backwards. We designed a walking backwards robot. Okay, so we finished the Tinker crate, or rather, Mazer finished it. I didn't hardly do anything. I felt like this one was pretty easy and that he did it super quickly, maybe in 20 to 30 minutes. So do you want to show it to him?
Robot.
Whoop. The robot. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So what was the easiest part or your favorite part?
Doing this part.
The middle part? Mm-hmm. So the middle part right here that holds the battery pack and some of the other moving mechanical parts inside, that was your favorite part? Mm-hmm. Was there a part that was really hard?
No, not a bunch.
No, not a bunch. This one was pretty easy. Like I said, I don't really feel like we have much to say about it besides that it was easy and super quick and he really liked doing it and he did it all by himself. So the only thing you have to pay attention to is that the robot needs to go on a certain side or the robot will be walking backwards. So I guess if you don't care if he walks backwards, then it doesn't matter. So our robot walks backwards. And so you just turn on the switch and he walks and you can see his little, oh, he can't move very well if I'm holding him.
You can't.
There goes his feet. He's walking on your head. Okay, so this was a really fun Tinker craft and I was really excited for it and so was Mazer and he loves the robot. And so if you are interested in more unboxings like this or other ideas for homeschool, please subscribe below, and we look forward to seeing you next time.